So before we get back to the video, I just wanted to talk real quick about my good friends over at Fridge-Snitch. The first thing you gotta know about Fridge-Snitch is that there's two universal truths in life. The first is pizza is always better the day after. The second is the worst thing is when somebody steals that pizza. Whether it's a family member or a friend that steals it from your personal fridge. I've tried leaving angry notes, I've tried getting new roommates, but nothing seems to work. That's where Fridge-Snitch comes into play. They've finally found a way to let your food snitch on the person who keeps stealing it from you. Imagine this. You put a tiny guardian angel over your food, and the moment that somebody tries to mess with it, you get a buzz on your phone. And before somebody can heat up that pizza or even take a bite of it cold, you can put a stop to this kind of madness. Here's the best part. They're having a sweet deal for any of the viewers right now. Click on the link in the description below, fridgesnitch.com, and enter code Erie for 20% off. Thanks guys. Anyway, back to the video.